I just don't give advice, but I create personalized plan that fits. A few months ago, I was working as a full-time teacher, leaving home at 7 a.m., prepping lunch boxes, making breakfast, and then after returning home, oh my god, all the household works, professional commitments, and then the exhaustion. Cooking a healthy dinner felt impossible. Many of you living abroad without a household help can relate, isn't it? Finally, I developed a smart 1 hour weekend meal prep strategy that allows me to eat healthy, focus more on my professional commitment, and spend quality time with my family. Let me show you how. We are prepping a high protein fiber rich meal plan today. For proteins I have taken kidney beans, this is also called rajma, mixed lentils or mixed dal, soya beans, paneer, chicken and eggs. I have also taken quinoa and green moong dals. First I am going to cook my beans and lentils. I noticed if it is ready in the refrigerator, I can prep any meal in 10 minutes out of this. Let's get started. Next I am going to boil these eggs. These are lifesaver for breakfast, lunch, dinner, for anything. Next, soak the soybeans in warm water. Then slice the paneer and keep it ready for cooking. Next I am marinating my chicken. For marination I am using soy sauce, salt, pepper, little bit of rice powder. I am going to air fry this and then I can use this chicken as a chicken pakora or I can prepare any Indo-Chinese dish out of it including chili chicken. For crispiness, I am going to air fry it 12 minutes each side. My next protein is lentils. I am going to cook lentils with vegetables. Here I am using bottle gourd or lauki. I also added tomatoes, turmeric powder and salt. To save the time, I am going to pressure cook it. We prep all the proteins in 20 minutes. Now we are going to prep our veggies. Okay. Colorful veggies are great source of fibers. It also boosts digestion and immunity. I am using different colored vegetables. First I am chopping some spinach. I will blanch it and make a puree out of it. This spinach is going to help you prepping lots of healthy meals throughout the week. I will show you how. Next important thing is onion. I am going to prep it in different ways. Some for curries, some for stir fry. Now I am going to prep a common base for many Indian curries using simple ingredients like garlic, onion. Later I will add ginger and tomatoes. This is a different types of cutting of onions. It will help me to prep the Indo-Chinese dishes like chili chicken. Chopping some bell peppers. I know many people prepare the curries and keep it ready for the week, but that does not work for me because I don't like to eat the same things. And it depends on my mood what I want to eat. That's why I like to prep in this way. Now quickly I am chopping and prepping the remaining vegetables, bottle gourds, cauliflowers. Next I am prepping some vegetables to use it in my salad. If they are ready, I know I will eat salad with every meal. I just have to mix some greens, cucumber, onions and proteins to make it a complete salad. These vegetables are ready for stir frying. Finally, making the spinach puree. I am going to make palak paneer from this and also going to use some puree to make the whole wheat dough for our rotis. Now I am making a paste out of this fried onion, ginger, garlic and tomatoes, and our common curry base will be ready. Now I am shallow frying these veggies. These are very useful. I use them inside my wraps, sandwiches and also use it to make fried rice. It's 7 minutes left guys, protein and veggies are done, but while prepping the veggies I already started making the rice to save the time. While the rice is cooking, let's prep the other grains. I am going to ferment some millet batter, so first I have to blend it in my blender and then I am going to prep some quinoa and green moong lentils batter. Okay, come. Here I have sorghum millet or jowar, ragi or finger millet and also some lentils. I'll be adding some chilies and ginger for flavor. Now we are going to blend everything by adding little bit water. We need a smooth batter and then we will keep it for 10 to 12 hours for fermentation. It depends on the temperature where you are right now. In warmer climates, it takes 4 to 5 hours to ferment. Our millet batter is ready. After the millet batter, now I am going to prepare the quinoa batter. I showed in my other videos before, but this time I am going to add the beetroot in that batter. Whole grains are healthy carbohydrate. They are beneficial to maintain a good health. Here we are using multi-grains, rice, quinoa, millets, and we will also use whole wheat flour. Our high protein and fiber rich quinoa batter is ready. Now we can keep it inside the refrigerator. Sometimes we eat rotis in our dinner, but I make sure the dough is nutrient rich. That's why I am adding spinach puree and lentils with other vegetables. Now I will make a soft dough out of it and it will be ready for making fulkas any night. Oh my god, the 1 hour passed and we accomplished so much. We are now ready for the week. You might not need to prepare this much depending on your goals, but we are a foodie family. We enjoy different healthy meals every day. See what all we accomplished within this hour. All the grains are ready. We prepared multi-grains within this hour. We prepared all the curry bases. Now we can prepare any curry under 10 minutes. These veggies are ready for making salad. Eggs are boiled. Soybeans are ready to go for fried rice or any stir frying or even in curries. Stir fried vegetables are ready. I am going to make a chili chicken out of these vegetables. Here are my air fried chickens. Have you seen my no oil chili chicken video yet? If not, please check the link at the end of the video. This is my multi-purpose curry base. I am going to prepare so many curries out of this and everything under 10 minutes. Paneers are cubed. This is going to save my times in the morning. Kidney beans are boiled. I can prep rajma in 5 minutes because our curry base is also ready. And lentils are cooked with vegetables. A yummy dal is waiting. And that's it. 1 hour of meal preparation and you have multiple weight loss friendly, clean, healthy eating options ready for the week. Now let me show you how I used this meal prep to create delicious meals throughout the week. Breakfast to dinner is sorted. I have made more easier for you. Please download the free printable meal prep guide from the description box below. If this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share your meal prep idea in the comment section. Let's inspire each other to build a healthy and positive community. 1 hour of meal preparation, a week of healthy meal. Now imagine this level of control over your eating habits every week. If you are a busy professional struggling to make healthy eating stick, I get it. That's exactly what I solve. I am a certified health coach in California with 8 years of experience specializing in weight loss for people just like you. I just don't give advice, but I create personalized plan that fits in your life. Think teaching the diet stress, mastering your meal prep and feeling amazing. I will show you how to make healthy eating your superpower. Just take a look at my website to witness the amazing transformation of my clients. Link is in the description box below. Learn how I can help you. Let's make it happen. I can't wait to see you. You can find my contact details in the description box too. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, eat healthy and stay fit.